Step into the 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include auxiliary PWR outlet, pass-through rear seat, power door locks, luggage rack, heated mirrors, driver airbag, variable speed intermittent wipers, and power driver mirror. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.